If you're in the position I was in years ago, owning or wanting to own a drone but not fully sure what to do with it, I'd like to share with you what I've learned in the past 5 years as I went from collegiate student athlete to full-time drone pilot. This video is part of a larger series that will teach you how to make money flying drones. Moving now to money-making method number 3, monitor construction progress. This job is pretty much as simple as it sounds. In many ways, it's easier than real estate. You likely won't have to touch up many, if any, photos and videos that you capture. The point of this work is to provide to your client a project manager or foreman with aerial media that shows progress over time. Many construction sites like housing developments, shopping centers, and more take many months to years to go from start to completion. All projects have desired timelines, and investors as well as builders want to make sure that they're on track. Yes, a manager could arrive on site and try to check in on each process underway at the site, or you can give them back their most valuable resource, time, and show in just a few snapshots the progress of every part of the unfinished site. Typically, progress photos will occur weekly. Some longer-term constructions will only need the service monthly or even quarterly. Either way, this type of work provides a dependable, steady, longer-term source of income than other one-off jobs. Drone recommendations are a little bit trickier with construction work because progress monitoring can involve a few different tasks beyond just photography and videography. Not all, but some construction sites will request stockpile measurements or survey accurate data. Stockpile measurements aren't as complicated as they sound. Most photogrammetry software like Pix4D provides stockpile and area measurements as a basic feature in their programs. If you're just providing progress photos and videos, the Air 2S can more than take care of your needs. However, the Air 2S isn't supported in Pix4D and other popular mapping software for stockpile measurement work that we just mentioned. A good system to get into this kind of work would be the Mavic 2 Pro. It's a bit older, but it provides great photos and videos and is supported in the major mapping software that you need to do further advanced work without having to buy a new drone. Just the same as real estate, do 1 or maybe 2 free jobs just for the purpose of putting together a portfolio and receiving a testimonial from a reputable company whose name carries weight, confirming what you say about the quality of your work. Just like real estate, it only takes a few construction progress jobs lasting a year or more to create a steady income that can be handled in your spare time. I hope this video taught you something new. If you have any questions at all, please post them in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more, please feel free to check out the other videos in this series.